Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm just going to do a real quick tip video on how to get heavy items with wheels off your truck. So as you can see, I have a dustless blaster I'm trying to get off my rig. Normally, if you were to park that in the driveway, those ramps end up being really steep. So luckily on my property, I just backed my truck up into the ditch and it's made this job a lot easier. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you how I unload it and show you how much easier it can be if you do have a ramp or a hill that you can use. So let's get it done. And yeah, folks, so that is that. That's how I unload super heavy objects with wheels off my truck now. So like I say, if you can find a little hill to back up to, it takes the angle right off it, makes things super easy, and you can do it all by yourself. Hopefully this helps somebody. If you guys like the video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Do whatever you want to do. We'll see you guys next time.